Hello everyone and welcome to the online class of computer applications. So today in the revision tour I'll discuss about the network and its different types. You can see in the diagram also the different types of network, but before I begin I would like to tell you that what is network. Whenever two or more devices are connected together they form a network. Either it can be a mobile phone or it can be a computer. Any device which are connected together for sharing the information data, that is called a network. So the first category of a network is personal area network, which is PAN. Personal area network is formed by connecting the electronic devices at a particular individual's workspace. It means at a home or maybe an office, when your mobile or computer is transmitting the data or information, or you are sharing the data or information among the computer and smartphones, which is available at your workspace, at your home, at your office only. So that is called as a forming a personal area network. You can see the diagram here where a laptop is connecting the different devices, the mobile phones, other laptop, headphone, printer. So this form of network is called as personal area network. Now the second form of network or the type of network is local area network, wherein the computer network interconnects the different computer with a limited area such as a residence, school, laboratory. So like you have seen in your school junior lab, wherein one computer is a server which is providing the network to different client computers. So that can be called as a local area network, where one computer is the main host computer and that is providing these services to the different computers or the different workstation which are connected to it. You can see the diagram here that on the center there is a server which is providing services to different client computers. The computer which is connected to the network is called as a host or node or a workstation, whereas the computer which is not connected to any kind of network like your personal computer or a laptop, that will be called as a standalone computer. And the third type of a network is metropolitan area network, wherein the network connects the user with different resources in a different geographical location, which is within the metropolitan area. You can say that a network which is connected over a city is called as a metropolitan area network, or a computer which are providing the services or in a particular city only, so that can be called as a metropolitan area network. You can see the diagram here where you can see that the office building wherein the computers are connected together providing the services, a residential area or a building of a government, an apartment or a colony where a particular uh, network is being computers are being connected together and sharing the information together, a university campus under which you can find the Wi-Fi connection or maybe the internet connection where you can connect your computer and you can share your information. So those kind of network which are formed together inside the university campus or maybe in the residential area and particular apartment in the city, that can be called as a metropolitan area network. So the last form of network or the type of network is wide area network. Wide area network, basically it extends the geographical location. As man was under the city, so it is now you can say spread across the world. So the network which is spread across the world can be called as wide area network. There are few examples of it, but the most important and example is the internet is itself the example of wide area network, where people all around the world are connecting together and sharing the information. The another example is, you can say, a network of a bank cash dispensing machine, that can also be called as a wide area network. A company network which has several branch offices that are spread across the world on a geographical area, so, at a geographical distance, so that can be called as a wide area network. But the best example is internet, which we are using nowadays, where we are connected towards the world, across the world, and sharing the information with each other at a very less time, very conveniently. You can see the diagram over here, that where different LAN connections are together, when they are combined together, or you can see the different offices which are spread across the world, they are connected together, so they are forming a wide area network. Now these networks are also being divided further into two types of connection via which we can form a network. One is the wireless connection and the second is a wired connection. So in case of wired connection, we use three kind of cables to connect to the internet or to form a network. First one is a twisted pair cable, second is a coaxial cable, third is a fiber optic cables. Among all of these three, fiber optic is the, you can say, expensive and the best quality cable which provides the best services for forming the network. Now moving towards to the wireless connection, we know that when there is a no wire for connecting the internet, when there is a transmission of electromagnetic signals through the free space, that is called as a wireless connection. The first example of wireless connection is a microwave, second is a radio waves connection, and then there is a satellite connection, and the last one is a Bluetooth. We all are knowing that we are connecting our mobiles to share the data and in the information with the help of Bluetooth. So you have to just switch it on and you can connect the device which is available at a near distance, and then you can share the information very easily. So that's all for today, students. That is all for all about the network, the different types of network, how you can form the network with the help of wired and a wireless connection. So go through the video very properly, and if you have any problem you can get back to me. Revise the topics once more. Your exams are knocking at your door. So stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you.